Motorola has sparked major buzz after teasing a premium new device, with fans already calling it one of Motorola's biggest reveals in years. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Teasers from Motorola's China division point to a powerful new phone called the X70 Air Pro, while the company's global accounts have confirmed a worldwide launch is on the way. Here's where it gets interesting. The X70 Air is expected to launch internationally under a different name called Motorola Edge 70. Even more, early hints suggest Motorola could be introducing a new signature lineup, with the top-tier model possibly called the Edge 70 Ultra. Insiders believe the X70 Air Pro and Edge 70 Ultra could actually be the same phone, just branded differently for different markets. If the leaks are right, this device is going all in on power. The X70 series is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, paired with a massive 16 gigabytes of RAM, putting it in flagship territory. The display sounds just as impressive. It's got a 6.7-inch OLED screen with a sharp 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, promising ultra-smooth scrolling and vivid visuals. On the software side, Motorola may be jumping ahead of the curve. Rumors claim the phone will ship with Android 16 right out of the box, giving users immediate access to the latest features, security upgrades, and performance improvements. With a premium design, cutting-edge specs, and a mysterious new Ultra name in the mix, Motorola is clearly aiming straight at the big players. If these leaks are true, Motorola's next phone could be its boldest yet. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Motorola and Lenovo just unleashed the AI revolution you didn't know your devices needed, and it's called Kira. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Building on last year's Motorola AI bundle, Kira is a sleek, cross-device intelligence system that brings a proactive AI assistant to smartphones and Lenovo PCs. The idea was to put AI at the center of your tech life, so you get things done without opening apps. The star feature is Next Move. It watches what you're doing and recommends actions in real time. Browsing pizza photos? Kira might suggest, look up homemade pizza recipes, or remember this? Writing emails or essays? Write for Me checks grammar, adjusts tone, and fixes mistakes effortlessly. Then there's Live Interactions, which lets users chat freely with the AI about what's on the screen, or even what it sees through your camera, just like Google's Gemini Live. Lenovo PCs get a boost with the Creator Zone by Stability AI, letting you generate unlimited on-device images without sending data to the cloud. And don't worry about privacy, as much of Kira's processing happens on-device, keeping your data secure. Kira will hit Lenovo computers in early 2026, with selected Motorola phones following later in the year. With this level of AI assistance, your devices aren't just smart, they're practically doing your thinking for you. The era of intelligent tech is here, and it's called Kira. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Motorola is back in the budget smartphone game with a bang, unveiling fresh 2026 versions of its popular Moto G and Moto G Play. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Moto G and Moto G Play combine sleek style, solid tech upgrades, and wallet-friendly prices. Those aren't just minor refreshes. They pack powerful features that make even high-end phones sweat. Both phones have massive 6.7-inch displays with 120Hz refresh rates and 1000 nit peak brightness. Perfect for binge watching, gaming, or scrolling through your socials in blazing sunlight. Photography lovers will be pleased, as the Moto G rocks a 50-megapixel main camera and 32-megapixel front shooter, while the Moto G Play offers a 32-megapixel rear camera and 8-megapixel selfie cam with quad-pixel technology, making sure you get detailed photos no matter the lighting, from sunny afternoons to dusky evenings. Battery life won't leave you hanging either. Both devices pack a 5200 mAh battery with 30-watt quick charging for the Moto G and 18-watt for the Moto G Play. Durability remains a priority too, with Gorilla Glass 3 screens and IP52 water resistance on both models. Let's talk about style now. Motorola is turning heads with new Pantone-inspired colors. The Moto G is Slipstream Gray and Cattleya Orchid Purple, while the Moto G Play comes in Tapestry Blue with a leather-like aesthetic that's surprisingly premium for the price. And oh, the price! They're irresistibly low. The Moto G starts at $200, hitting Motorola's website on December 11th, and the Moto G Play goes for just $170, available online from November 13th, and rolling out in stores soon after. Motorola's 2026 Moto G lineup proves budget phones can still impress in a big way. So, which one are you getting? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Motorola's taking the fight to Apple with the jaw-droppingly slim X70, a smartphone that's built to turn heads and keep your thumbs busy for days. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Moto X70 is just 5.9mm thick, nearly as thin as the iPhone Air, but with a camera bump that's far less obnoxious. Inside that tiny frame, Motorola crammed not one, not two, but three 50-megapixel cameras, including a main shooter capable of 4K video, an ultra-wide, a macro lens, and a clever light sensor that takes better shots in any scenario. It also baked in AI tools for editing and enhancing photos. The X70 doesn't just look good, it's tough too. With a frame made of aircraft-grade aluminum, Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, and IP69 water protection, this is one phone that can actually survive a drop. The real kicker is the 4800 mAh battery that delivers up to 50 hours of continuous use. That's more than 2 full days of doom scrolling without ever hunting for a charger, leaving the iPhone Air in the dust. But Motorola's proprietary Moto AI2 chatbot has to take the center stage. It offers image generation, queries, and an intuitive AI that understands what's on your screen and guides you through it. It's powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 mobile chipset and backed by software and security updates till 2031. This phone is built to last. All this tech comes at a surprisingly reasonable price of £700 or about $910. UK buyers can grab it immediately, though international fans will have to wait, as Motorola hasn't revealed a US launch date yet. It's ultra slim and built to survive your clumsy hands. The X70 might just be Motorola's best shot at dethroning the iPhone Air. Are you waiting to get your hands on this? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Just when Apple's iPhone Air had everyone gushing at its impossibly slim design, Motorola swooped in with a bold answer, the Moto X70 Air. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. Get ready for a Motorola device that measures under 6mm thick and weighing just 159 grams. This razor-thin contender isn't just about looks, it's about muscle too. While Apple was cashing on minimalism, Motorola brings a fully loaded feature set to the table, making the Moto X70 Air a serious rival. The camera system alone is enough to turn heads with trio of 50 MP sensors, including a high-res selfie cam, giving it a clear edge over the iPhone Air's more modest setup. Whether it's ultra-wide shots or crisp selfies, the X70 Air promises pro-level results. The display is another showstopper. With a 6.7-inch OLED display with 1220p resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 4500 nits, the screen literally outshines most competitors. It even features an under-display fingerprint sensor marrying sleek design with smart security. On the insides, the Moto X70 Air packs a Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor paired with up to 12GB of RAM for smooth multitasking and gaming. Storage won't be an issue either, with 256GB and 512GB options available. Thinking about battery? A 800 mAh battery keeps the device going, while a built-in vapor chamber ensures it stays cool under pressure. Durability hasn't been sacrificed for thinness either. Motorola has got a sturdy metal frame and top-tier IP69 water and dust resistance. When the world is chasing minimalism, the Moto X70 Air said you don't have to compromise features for form. It's ultra slim, but built to impress and survive. So, are you choosing it over iPhone Air? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.